In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lemon Slice. Now, this video, I assume you are kind of a beginner. You won't really know how you can make characters, speak, how you can generate your own audio, your own character, and generate a video. Okay. Now, I've done something, and these guys can give you some free points. So far, I have like 19. I think they give you like something like 25 or something. But I've done a kind of a character. I've made a voice and I've made a video. Okay, this is my final product. We're going to see how you can do it. So when you go to Lemon Slice, you log in with your Gmail. For some of you who, let me just start from the start. Lemon Slice AI. So it will come here. Lemon Slice AI. Okay, lemonslice.io. So we're going to, when you're starting it, you have to kind of sign in with your Gmail. Me, I always actually just sign in with my Gmail. So after opening, you just go to Lemon Slice Studio, and you can start doing some stuff. Okay, it starts like this. Okay, and because you are new, you won't have project videos. So far, me, I have actually, a project video. So what you're going to do is you're going to, under image of video, you're going to start on number 1. You're going to kind of say select all video. Okay. So let me assume you want to generate a new character. If you want to use your picture, you can kind of upload it here. But let me just generate a character. So when you click on generate a character, here they're going to tell you enter image prompt. So you can say, mine, I say the young village man with muscles is in dirty jeans and vest. So I can say maybe a young woman, in New York City. A young woman standing. Let me just say a young woman standing at Times Square. Okay, I think it's called Times New Square. Okay, Times New Square in New York City. A young woman standing at New Times Square in New York City. Waiting. Okay, I can say going to shop. Maybe going to shop what? Okay, a young woman standing at New Times Square in New York, going to shop. Maybe Crothers. So let me execute this. There's a lot of settings that you can do, but for now, let me just, I'm just doing something basic, just a start. Okay. So in the current video that I did, okay, let's see what it has created. Okay, so this is the video. So you click on use this image. Okay, part 1 is done. In the previous video, I did this. I said, I think I said something like a young village man with muscles is in dirty jeans and vest. This is what I did. So I generated that, okay? Then number 2, you generate audio. So you click on select audio. You can actually upload your audio if you want to use your audio. So they will actually sync it with the lips of the lady in the image that you have done. But for now, let's try to do, let's just generate words that we want the lady that we have created to say. So here they are saying like, enter what you want your character to say. We're going to say, I love New York. It feels nice, luxury, and makes you think the future. I don't know if this will make sense. Okay. I like New York. Okay, let me say I like New York. I love shopping. Can't wait to meet my friend for her birthday in new style. Okay, I think we can do this. Okay, so this is what actually this lady is going to say. Now we have to select the character. Okay, we have to because the AI doesn't know what really want to bring out. So they have actually samples of that you can sample voices of different characters. So we can say Ameria, young woman, is British, young woman is Nigerian, actually even Nigerian. A young woman, British, calm and conversational. So we're gonna say maybe she's British. Okay, young woman who is British. So we are selecting a character of Ameria. There are so many characters, so many that you can choose. Okay, so let me click on this arrow. This is the way you submit. Okay, so they're going to submit that audio, and it really takes it's really fast. Okay, it's not like my PC is fast. So let's try to listen to it.
I love New York. I love shopping. Can't wait to meet my friend for her birthday in new style.
So this is the voice that we're going to use. So let me click on use audio. Okay. So after that, we're going to go to part 3. Let's generate. So we're going to kind of generate. We're going to generate a video so that this woman, Ameria, can really say the words that we have generated. So let me click on generate. So I think they kind of charge us like 6 credits, I think. So these are like, I think the new version. Okay, we're going to see how much they're going to deduct and see how many videos that you can create with the free version. Okay, now already have this. As it's being created, you can actually trace it from here. You have to wait for this rotating thingy to kind of finish. As we wait for it, let me go back to this. This is what actually I did. If I play this, let me play this from the start. Let me put it in a zoom full. Let me play this.
Village life is fun. I get time to play with goats, chicken, ducks, and enjoy the fresh air.
Okay, so that was the video that I did before I'm creating this. So let's wait for this and see how it's going to say, okay? I think it takes like a few, I don't think it takes like more than 1 minute. Okay. So you can really do a lot with Lemon Slice. You can upload your own voice. If you don't want to use the AI voices, you can actually just record yourself. For some of you who think of what you can use, Windows has a default sound recorder. You can just go to your Windows, then you say sound recorder. Okay, this can help you record your voices. Okay, you can just click here and then you talk, then you stop, then that voice is actually saved. So you can upload that voice into this actually that AI. Where do you find these recordings? They're always actually in. Can click on this, then it will show you your recordings. So they are saved in documents, sound recordings. So you can actually you can upload these recordings, a recording, then this image will say those words that are in recording. So our video is done. Let's try finally test it out. Let me try to zoom it out. Okay, let me play it.
I love New York. I love shopping. Can't wait to meet my friend for her birthday in new style.
Wow. So let me try to zoom in. Okay.
I love New York. I love shopping. Can't wait to meet my friend for her birthday in new style.
Okay, so that's how you use Lemon Slice. Of course, this is actually basic. This is a basic video tutorial on how you can use Lemon Slice to do a character, give it an audio, then you generate a video for free. I think it was 19, now they have 13, so that means they deduct something like 19, okay, 19 minus 13, that is what? I think those are like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they deduct like six credits. So it means you can create like 4 videos out of this. Okay. Let me know if you like to get more videos about Lemon Slice, how you can maybe animate dogs and all that stuff. I can really create for you more videos of how you can do this, how you can use Lemon Slice. But generally, the AI is actually very impressive. I just love the fact that you can actually create these images. You can create new images. You can create a voice, or you can use existing voice and do that stuff. Okay, if this video was useful to you, kindly please you can leave me a subscription. I really appreciate. That is all I can ask. Or you can actually click on that like. You can like my video. And if you have anything that you want to say about Lemon Slice, you can leave it in the comment section below. I really appreciate and thank you for watching my video, and see you again in the next video about AI videos. Okay, bye bye.